When it comes to ranking in Google, content is king. Now, Google really wants to see you create content and share with your audience that is helpful, engaging, and informative. Don't just throw together a blog post or use AI to create some junk that no one's going to read. Really think about your content, really dig into it, and speak as the professional in your industry. After all, you know your business and you know how to share information on what you do and what will get people really interested in working with you. Another great way to add value to your content is adding video. Record a simple video that maybe explains or takes it off the page a little bit further. Short form video is, as we know, the fastest consuming content there is online. Another great thing to add into your content or to consider is infographics. Infographics are a great way to take your message a little bit more off the page and get people really bought in, and it creates really shareable content that people want to share with their friends and family. If you like this video, then subscribe and stay tuned because I plan to break down SEO in simple, easy to follow terms.